So student, today we will discuss potential energy of a system of charges. System of charges. Here we will consider more than one charges prevailing in a particular configuration, and we want to find out the potential energy in this configuration to achieve. After achieving this configuration, how much work done externally we have done to get this configuration, that is the internal potential energy, you can consider like this. So you see, suppose initially we consider the two charge system configuration, where the first charge once will take it from infinity to a particular configuration point, against the coordinate of, suppose this is coordinate, and some q1 charges bring from infinity to some point q1, okay, this is a point positive charge suppose, and the coordinate maybe this is the r distance, you can say, and from infinity to bring it from infinity q1 charge, there earlier no field, so the internal work done, internal energy or external work done to bring this q1 charge from infinity to here, we did not do any work. So initial placement of any charge, there is no work done, so no internal energy or neither no potential. Now after putting this q1 in a certain point, if you want to bring some other charges q2 from infinity to a certain point between two distance, maybe suppose here q2 you want to bring here q2 positive charge, so before placed q1 charge will make you some potential, electrostatic potential due to electrical field. These are equipotential surface, earlier we have discussed. So having some certain distance, maybe this is r12, you can say, so it is having some potential over this distance, so it will feel some repulsive force, this q2, to bring q2 from infinity to this point. That means we need to perform some external work against the repulsive force due to the potential created by q1 over the point at the distance r12, and the potential will be created over here. If you say this is v1, so this potential due to this q1 charge will be how much? As you know, this is 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is q1 over this distance r12. Okay, so this much potential, electrostatic potential, is already prevailing over here. So to bring this q2 charge from infinity to this configuration, we need to have some work. So this potential, what does it mean? That means unit test charge. If you bring unit test charge, unit test charge from infinity to this distance away, from q1 r12 distance at this configuration, we need to do this much of work, joule per coulomb work we need to do. Here in case we are bringing this q2 charge, so the amount of work done or internal energy gain potential of this configuration will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, or you can say initially this is v1 and q2, correct? And this is nothing but the 4 pi epsilon naught and q1 by r12 into q2. This much of joule we need to perform externally to bring this q2 charge against this repulsive force of q1 due to potential created over this point, which is equivalent to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 by r12. So this is the internal potential energy created in this configuration due to potential created by the first charge q1 on q2 point having a distance of r12. Correct? So this is 2 point system charge, this is internal potential energy, this one. Now suppose if we want to bring another charge after having the configuration of this one, Suppose after getting this configuration, now the potential energy U12, this is U1, what we got this U1 is, suppose if we define this U1, so this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, we got it like this, and Q1, Q2 over R12, we got this one, right? Now we want to discuss about some 3-point charge system internal potential we want to calculate. Now see here, initially we put Q1, there is no potential, no internal energy, no external work need to be done, so it is okay. Now we want to put this Q2, so we have to do this much of work against this Q1 potential. So this 2-point charge system will give you some potential this much of joule. This system configuration. Now we are trying to say that for a 3-point charge system, we want to bring another charge Q3 to a certain configuration having earlier 2 Q1, Q2 placed. Suppose this is Q3 position, we want to achieve this one, and which is distant from this one, maybe this may be R13, and distant from this one it is R23. So you see, in case of if you bring Q3 charge from infinity, so this distance, this potential created by Q1, it will also exert some potential over this point at a distance of R13, and this potential, if you say V1 in case of here, the potential due to Q1, it will be created over here. This is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, and this is Q1 over the distance is R13. Okay, and simultaneously the potential due to this Q2 in this point at a distance of 4 R13, suppose this is V2, so this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be Q2 over R23. Both this potential will work on this point Q3. So once you want to try to bring this Q3 from this infinity to this configuration in the system, if you insert this Q3 in the system, so you need to perform the work total against this repulsive force and against this repulsive force to make it placed here. So this internal energy to bringing this external work or internal energy will be gained by this Q3 charge due to this potential, V1 potential. It will be here. If you say this is Q, we can define this one, suppose U2, internal energy U2, and this is U3. So U2 will be 1 by, this is simply, you can say V1, you will say simply V1, this is Q3 into V1 potential, and this is how much? This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this is V1, and Q3 is Q3, and this is Q1 by R23, this is the V1. This is the V1, and this will be multiplied by Q3. So this is, you can say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is Q1, Q3 over R23. Similarly, for U3, this is V3, for U3 this mass, this potential energy will be gained by Q3 against the repulsive force of Q2 potential U3, this will 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be Q2 by R23 into the charge Q3. So in 3-point charge system, you will get total amount of U1, U2, U1, U2 and U3, the total work needed to get this configuration as it is, having the distance R13 between Q1, Q2 and R13 between Q1, Q3 and R23 between Q2, Q3. So total sum of energy will be potential energy, sum of total potential energy U will be sum of U1 plus U2 plus U3. Total amount of internal energy stored to bring this charge all together in this configuration, and it will be, you see here everywhere it is the common, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught is the constant common here, here also it is common, and here also it is common. So you will see 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 multiplied over distance R12, and this will be Q2, Q3, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q3, Q3, Q2, Q3, Q2, Q3 over R23 plus Q1, Q3 over R13. So this will be the total energy gained by this configuration due to internal potential against each other. Similarly, in case of 4 charge system, 4-point charge system particle, what you will see, if you want to insert another charge, suppose this is Q4. So what will happen? Already all these are working. Here one thing you need to remember, either you place Q1 first or Q2 first or Q3 next. It does not matter, because this is the multiplication. You see Q1, Q2. Either you can multiply Q2 into Q1. Simply Q1 and Q2 both are same. It is a scalar quantity. It is the multiplication value only. So now in case of 4-point system, what we will do, we will now consider the 1 Q4 charge. I will say 1 Q4 charge I want to bring against this all configuration. Already it is already been placed. So I will bring this point Q4 from infinity. In that case, what will happen? Now see, all these U1, U2, U3 are already working. Now once you want to put one other charge of Q4, what will happen actually? Now on this Q4, all this Q1 will also put some potential energy repulsive force due to Q1. Okay, how much it will be? We have seen already. This will be potential due to this Q1 will be this will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this will be Q1, and if the distance is R14, if you say between distance between 1 and 4, so I can mention this one R14, so this will be Q1 by R14. Okay, so this much potential will be created over here. So if it is the potential, the work done will be amount of charge, unit test charge. Because this is the unit test charge potential means work done for the unit test charge. So if you want to bring this point Q4, so the work needs to be done of the Q4 externally, needs support, external support Q4 needed to get it placed against this R14 distance from Q1. So the work done will be Q4 charges due to potential work it needs to do here. What is what? Okay. This one, suppose you can define this one U4. Suppose you can define this much of work as U4. Okay. So this is U4. Now you see, this point also will create some potential over here. Q3 also put some potential pressure, not to get it come closer towards this one due to electrical field repulsive force. So how much this much will be put in first table? I can say this much is in a I can define it, this is U5. So U5 will be, if you say U5 will be again same. This is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. And if the distances are 3, 4, distance between 3 and 4 are 3, 4. So this much is potential due to this. So Q3, because Q3 placed earlier, so Q3 over R34. This is the potential. Now what? I need to place this Q4. So it will be multiplied by Q4 because it is the potential is the unit charge work. So Q4 is the total amount of charge. So this much will be the Q5 work. Now one more also charge will interact here. Q2 also will put some potential repulsive pressure on this Q4. and suppose this is, we say this is maybe U6. So U6 will be, how much will be U6? It is the potential created by this Q2 charge on Q4 distance, and the distance, suppose this is R2, 4, R2, 4. Distance between 2 and 4, R2, 4. So U6 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, same again, and potential into Q2 will be Q2 over the distance is R2, 4, and work done will be, this is the potential, this much is the potential, so work done will be into this Q4 charge need to be placed total coulomb. This much coulomb we need to place over here. Now you see, for this 4 charge system configuration, we need to do all this work: U1, U2, U3, U4, U5, U6. Earlier already we got 3-point charge system, U1, U3 is there. Now we have to add U3, U4, U5 and U6 as well. Now the total U will be here. In our case, this will be now in 4 charge system. This will be now summation of total amount of charge now, or total amount of potential energy will be now U will be summation of U1, U2, U3, U4, U5 and U6. And this is how much? You got a some relation over here. The charge between this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, all everywhere it is common. Everywhere it is common. Okay? So, and other will be added. Other will be added. The place is not here, so we can write like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will take common. Then this will be what we got actually. U1 is the this much of Q1 Q2 over R12 plus, if it is considering U2, if it is U2, suppose this is U2. What is the U2 we have defined? This one, 1 and 3. So this is Q1 Q3 over R13. Then U3, this is Q2 Q3. So U3 is Q2 Q3 over R23. Then U4 is this 1 and 4. So Q1 Q4 over R14. Then U5 is Q3 Q4. So Q3 Q4 over R34. Then U6 is 2 and 4. So Q2 Q4 over the distance we consider, this is R24. So this is the total amount of system energy we need to work externally, and this will store as a internal energy, internal potential energy for a 4 charge system. Okay, so this is nothing but U is the combination. We say this is the principal combination. As in 11th class we have seen, this was, suppose in case of 3 charge system, this is 3C2, interaction between 2 charge potential created. So this is factorial 3 by factorial 3 minus 2 over factorial 2. So this is 3. In case of 4 charge system, so 4C2, this is factorial 4 over factorial 4 minus 2 over factorial 2. So this will be 4 into 3 over factorial 2 over factorial 2 over factorial 2. So factorial 2 is neutral, and this will be 4 into 3 over 2 into 1. So this is 202. So this is 6 possible combination will come. So this will be 6 possible combination we will find as an interaction of different potential, and overall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the potential energy of system of charges. You can consider of 5 charges, 6 charges, 10 charges. This is the interaction between the two independent charges to create a potential on one another, which will actually make them resist. If it is a single charge, it will resist to come closer in this configuration, and for this, if it is resisting, we need to do some external work which will be actually ultimately to store as a system potential energy. Once you release this boundary, if you release this mechanical confinement, it will just bounce back and going back whatever amount they have stored in their mutual system. So I think you have understood. And if we go for this one, potential energy. This is the defined potential energy due to the system charge we have. We already know. But in case of if it is not defined, if it is electrical field, now we can find some system potential due to some external field also. We'll discuss on next class. Thank you.